Hi, English learners. Today I'm coming to you from a stunning town at the French Riviera, where I'm enjoying the sun and the beautiful weather. And for your listening practice today, I'd like to share my very, very personal story of love, a story of my husband and me. We traveled to the charming city of Menton to celebrate our 20th wedding anniversary. I can't believe it. 2 whole decades of marriage. Time has flown by so quickly. As a young girl, I dreamed of marrying someone I would love deeply for a lifetime. And incredibly, that dream became a reality. I was only 20 when we got married, and my husband was 25. But we met even earlier, when I was 18. He'd come to my town to study at a missionary school, and we met at church. So that's how our paths crossed. Since then, we've been raising 3 wonderful children together. Sometimes people ask, how do you stay happy after 20 years? Of course, like any couple, we had disagreements. And sometimes in those moments, I didn't feel love. I thought I hated him with my whole heart. But over the years, I've learned something important. If you take a step back, let your emotions settle, and reflect, you realize just how rare and precious this person truly is. No one could take his place in my life. When we married, we made a vow, not only to each other, but also before God and our community. And we've chosen to honor that promise every single day. A lasting relationship requires effort, patience, and love. You must invest your time, your heart, and your energy if you want to build something truly meaningful. Thanks for listening to our love story. I hope it brings you inspiration, whether in life and love or in learning your English. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, and see you soon.